Saving $10,000 in a single year might sound like a dream, but it's a goal that thousands of people hit every year, even on modest incomes. And guess what? You can too. Whether you're starting from zero or living paycheck to paycheck, this video will show you a clear, beginner-friendly plan to reach that $10,000 savings goal, step by step. No extreme sacrifices, no complicated finance talk, just real strategies that work. We'll break it down into manageable chunks, like how much to save per month, where to cut back without pain, and how to use free savings apps and budgeting tools to automate everything. Plus, we'll show you simple side hustles you can do in your spare time to speed things up. If you stick with this plan, you'll not only save $10,000, you'll build habits that will change your financial future forever. Ready to take control? Let's dive in. 1. Set your target and track every dollar. Let's start with the math. Saving $10,000 in 1 year means you need to save about $834 per month, or roughly $28 per day. It sounds intimidating, but breaking it down makes it manageable. And the first step is to track every single dollar you spend. Most people underestimate how much they waste on small things, like $8 subscriptions, daily snacks, or impulse buys. Start by downloading a free budgeting app like Mint, Rocket Money, or YNAB. You need a budget. Link your bank account and let the app categorize your spending. This way, you'll instantly see where your money is going and what to cut. You'll likely find $200 to $500 worth of invisible spending you can redirect into savings. Once you know your spending habits, you can create a realistic monthly budget with savings as a fixed expense. Think of savings like paying a bill, except the future you is the one cashing in. Knowledge is power, and seeing the numbers clearly is how beginners take control of their money. 2. Automate your savings so you don't have to think about it. Here's a secret of wealthy people. They don't rely on willpower to save, they automate it. You should too. Set up a recurring automatic transfer from your checking account to a high-yield savings account like Ally Bank, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, or Discover Online Savings. Schedule the transfer to hit right after payday, so the money is moved before you even get a chance to spend it. Even starting with $100 per week will get you more than halfway to your goal. Better yet, use roundup apps like Acorns or Chime that automatically save your spare change every time you make a purchase. Over time, those cents turn into serious dollars. Don't forget to nickname your savings account something motivating like 10K Fund or Freedom Vault. It creates a psychological connection and reminds you why you're doing this. Automating savings removes the hardest part, discipline. You don't have to think, act, or decide. The money just moves, and your goal gets closer every week, even while you sleep. 3. Cut the big expenses first, not just lattes. Forget the don't buy coffee advice. The real savings happen when you cut the big stuff. If you want to reach $10,000 fast, start with the 3 biggest expense categories: housing, transportation, and food. Can you downsize your apartment? Get a roommate for 6 months? That alone could save $300 to $500 per month. Next, look at your bills. Use BillShark or Truebill, Rocket Money, to negotiate lower rates on cable, phone, and internet. Most people overpay without knowing it. For food, start meal prepping. The average person spends over $3,000 a year eating out. Cut that in half by cooking at home, and you'll pocket $1,500 plus right there. Also, review your subscriptions. Are you really using all those streaming services, apps, or fitness memberships? Cancel what you don't need. Big wins come from bold moves, not penny pinching. Make 2 or 3 big cuts, and you'll be saving hundreds per month without giving up the things you actually care about. Start a simple side hustle. Extra cash equals faster savings. If you want to supercharge your savings, cutting expenses is only half the equation. The other half, make more money, even just a few hundred extra a month. That's where side hustles come in. You don't need a second job. You just need to monetize your skills or free time. Love driving? Sign up for Uber, DoorDash, or Instacart. Enjoy writing or design? Try Fiverr or Upwork to land freelance gigs. Got stuff lying around? Flip it on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark. Even 5 to 10 hours a week can earn you $300 to $800 a month. That's up to $10,000 per year, all from side income alone. You can also explore print-on-demand stores on platforms like Redbubble or Etsy, which generate passive income after setup. Affiliate programs are another great option. Share links to products you use and earn commissions. Combine side hustle income with automated savings, and your $10,000 goal gets way easier. Don't just budget, build income. 5. Use savings challenges and tools to stay motivated. Let's be real, saving money can feel boring. That's why you need to make it fun. One powerful method is using savings challenges. Try the 52-week challenge. Save $1 in week 1, $2 in week 2, and so on. By week 52, you'll have $1,378. Or reverse it. Start with $52 and work down to $1. It's easier when motivation is high at the beginning. You can also use apps like Capital, which turn savings into goals and challenges with visual progress bars and automation. For a psychological boost, use printable savings trackers or charts that you color in as you go. Visually seeing your progress makes a big difference. You can even gamify it with friends or family. Set a group goal and celebrate milestones together. The key is to stay consistent. Saving $10,000 isn't about perfection. It's about small, smart actions repeated every week. Make the process engaging, and you'll be surprised how fast the money adds up. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to saving $10,000 in 1 year. Start small, stay consistent, and let the tools do the work. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more smart money tips, and check the description for all the free apps and resources we mentioned.